Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you join us for today's exciting exploration into rustic wood craft project ideas that beautifully merge traditional craftsmanship with modern decor. As we dive into this creative journey, we'll showcase a variety of projects that not only elevate your home's aesthetic, but also present fantastic opportunities for generating sales. Imagine transforming your living space with stunning rustic floating shelves that serve as both functional storage and eye-catching decor, or crafting unique picture frames that add a personal touch to your cherished memories. We'll also delve into the world of wooden planters, perfect for showcasing your favorite plants in style, and decorative signs that can bring warmth and personality to any room. Each project we present will come with detailed insights on materials, techniques, and design tips, ensuring that whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out, you'll find valuable information to inspire your creativity. If you're passionate about rustic decor and eager to learn how to create beautiful, marketable pieces, you're definitely in the right place. We're confident that you'll find plenty of inspiration in this video. So if you enjoy what you see, please take a moment to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and fellow DIY enthusiasts. Together, let's unlock your creative potential and bring rustic charm into your home and beyond. Rustic floating shelves are a fantastic project that combines form and function. Made from reclaimed wood, these shelves offer a minimalist aesthetic that fits well in modern homes. The process involves measuring, cutting, and sanding the wood before applying a stain or finish to enhance its natural beauty. Their appeal lies in their versatility. They can be used in various rooms, serving as a display for plants, books, or decorative items. However, ensuring sturdy installation is crucial, as improperly mounted shelves can lead to accidents or damage. Another great idea is wooden geometric wall art, which creatively combines rustic elements with contemporary design. By cutting wood into geometric shapes and painting them in vibrant colors, you can create striking visual pieces. This project appeals especially to younger audiences who appreciate unique decor. One challenge is sourcing uniform wood slices and ensuring the durability of the art, as it must withstand the test of time and maintain its aesthetic appeal. Rustic picture frames represent a timeless craft that can be tailored to individual tastes. Using reclaimed wood allows for a variety of textures and finishes, making each frame unique. The process involves cutting the wood to size, joining the pieces, and adding glass or acrylic inserts. Customizable frames cater to consumers looking for personalized gifts or home accents. However, achieving a consistent look while preserving the rustic charm can be challenging, as different wood types may not match perfectly. Creating wooden planters is another appealing project, especially with the rise of indoor gardening. Simple yet stylish, these planters can be crafted from reclaimed wood and designed to include drainage holes. The eco-conscious market is increasingly interested in sustainable products, making these planters a great choice for sales. Challenges include ensuring durability and proper drainage, which are essential for the health of the plants. Serving trays are practical items that can also serve as decorative pieces. Crafted from thick wood boards and equipped with handles, these trays are perfect for entertaining or as gifts. The crafting process involves cutting, shaping, and finishing the wood while balancing aesthetics with functionality. The challenge lies in ensuring that the trays are not only visually appealing, but also sturdy enough for everyday use. Candle holders made from logs or wooden blocks add a cozy ambience to any setting. The crafting process involves drilling holes for candles and finishing the wood for a polished look. These holders are popular among consumers looking to enhance their home decor with rustic elements. A key challenge is ensuring that the holders are stable and safe for use, preventing any risk of tipping over. For those looking for smaller projects, wood coasters offer a perfect opportunity. These can be made from sliced logs or reclaimed wood planks, and finishing them with a food-safe sealant ensures they are functional as well as decorative. Coasters are always in demand, appealing to consumers who appreciate practical home essentials. The challenge lies in creating coasters that are both absorbent and heat-resistant while maintaining their rustic appearance. Rustic wine racks provide a functional solution for wine storage while adding a touch of charm to home decor. These racks can be designed to hold bottles and glasses securely, combining wood with metal accents for a modern twist. The appeal is clear. especially as more people invest in home entertaining. However, stability is crucial. Poorly designed racks can lead to accidents. Wooden signs offer a customizable option that resonates with those seeking unique home accents. Using reclaimed wood, you can create personalized pieces with inspirational quotes or family names. The market for custom signs is strong, but competition is high, necessitating distinctive designs to stand out. The challenge lies in sourcing quality materials that allow for clear, attractive lettering and finishing. Key holders are another practical project that merges functionality with rustic charm. Small pieces of wood can be transformed into wall-mounted key holders with hooks, helping to organize entryways. Their appeal is in their dual purpose, serving as both decor and a functional item. The challenge is to create a design that is visually appealing while remaining practical for daily use. Serving boards are versatile kitchen essentials that can be crafted from high-quality wood slabs. These boards can serve multiple purposes, from cutting to serving, and their popularity as gifts is significant, especially during holidays. The challenge here is maintaining quality while scaling production, as high-quality boards require careful selection and craftsmanship. Rustic shelving units are an excellent way to combine storage and decor. By using reclaimed wood and metal brackets, these shelves can be both functional and stylish. Open shelving is a current trend in home design, particularly in kitchens and living areas, appealing to consumers who appreciate modern aesthetics. However, ensuring that these shelves can bear weight safely is crucial, and installation must be handled carefully. Wooden wall hooks add a decorative yet functional element to homes. Using unique branches or logs, these hooks can serve various purposes, from hanging coats to displaying art. Their rustic appeal makes them attractive to consumers, but sourcing distinctive wood pieces can be challenging, as each hook needs to be unique. Rustic crates are versatile storage solutions that can also serve as decorative elements. Crafted from wooden planks, these crates can be used for everything from organizing items to serving as rustic decor. Their market appeal lies in their functionality and aesthetic versatility, but ensuring durability while keeping production costs low can be a challenge. Wooden jewelry holders can be both decorative and functional, appealing to those looking for eco-friendly storage solutions. These holders can feature hooks for necklaces and compartments for other jewelry, blending practicality with rustic charm. The challenge lies in designing holders that accommodate various jewelry types while ensuring they remain visually appealing. Creating rustic bulletin boards with reclaimed wood frames is another attractive project. These boards can serve as functional decor, allowing users to pin notes, reminders, or artwork. The appeal is particularly strong among students and professionals seeking stylish organizational tools. However, sourcing quality corkboard that fits the rustic theme can pose challenges. Wooden toys represent a nostalgic market that values eco-friendly options. Simple toys, such as building blocks or pull toys, can be made from non-toxic wood, appealing to parents looking for sustainable gifts for children. The challenge here is ensuring that all toys meet safety standards, which requires thorough testing and quality control. For larger projects, rustic furniture such as stools or side tables made from reclaimed wood can attract buyers looking for unique home accents. These pieces can serve as statement items in living spaces, but high production costs and logistics of transporting larger items can present significant challenges. Wooden plant stands cater to the increasing interest in indoor plants, offering stylish solutions for displaying greenery. These stands can vary in height and design, appealing to urban gardeners. However, ensuring stability for various plant sizes and weights is critical to avoid accidents. To effectively market your rustic wood crafts, consider leveraging customization services to enhance items like picture frames, wooden signs, and coasters. By offering personalized options, you can attract customers seeking unique gifts for special occasions. Pair this with an online presence where you showcase these customizable products alongside seasonal offerings such as holiday-themed serving trays or ornaments, effectively capitalizing on peak shopping times. Hosting workshops on crafting DIY kits for projects like candle holders or wooden wall hooks can foster community engagement while generating additional income. Furthermore, collaborating with local businesses, such as florists for rustic planters, can enhance your reach and introduce your crafts to new audiences. Utilizing social media and influencer partnerships will help build a community around your brand, driving engagement through tutorials and user-generated content. By creating themed collections and limited edition items, you can simplify the shopping experience and create urgency, encouraging customers to make purchases. Finally, Feedback from customers on their favorite products, whether rustic furniture or wooden toys, will provide valuable insights for continuous improvement and help refine your offerings to better meet market demand. Furthermore, collaborating with local businesses, such as florists for rustic planters, can enhance your reach and introduce your crafts to new audiences. Utilizing social media and influencer partnerships will help build a community around your brand, driving engagement through tutorials and user-generated content. By creating themed collections and limited edition items, you can simplify the shopping experience and create urgency, encouraging customers to make purchases. Finally, feedback from customers on their favorite products, whether rustic furniture or wooden toys, will provide valuable insights for continuous improvement and help refine your offerings to better meet market demand. Subscription boxes. A subscription box featuring a curated selection of rustic wood crafts can include items like serving trays, coasters, and small furniture pieces. Each month's box could revolve around a theme, such as seasonal decor or kitchen essentials, keeping customers engaged and eager to receive new products. Workshops and classes. Hosting workshops on creating rustic crafts, such as wooden wall hooks or geometric wall art, can foster community engagement. These classes not only generate income, but also provide customers with hands-on experience, making them more likely to purchase products afterward. Collaborations with local businesses. Partnering with local florists to create rustic wooden planters or serving boards that complement floral arrangements can enhance the marketability of both businesses. Local collaborations can also include events showcasing rustic furniture or wooden signs in their stores. Online presence in e-commerce. An online store featuring rustic floating shelves, wine racks, and other crafted items can reach a broader audience. High-quality images and engaging descriptions can help convey the charm and craftsmanship of these products, making them more appealing to potential buyers. Seasonal and holiday products. Creating seasonal items, such as rustic ornaments for Christmas or Thanksgiving serving trays, allows you to capitalize on holiday shopping. Limited-time offerings can create urgency, driving customers to make purchases for their seasonal decor needs. Eco-friendly branding. Highlighting the use of reclaimed wooden products like wooden toys and furniture can attract eco-conscious consumers. Marketing these items as sustainable options can position your brand favorably in a market increasingly focused on environmental responsibility. Theme collections. Creating collections around specific themes, like a rustic kitchen collection including serving boards, trays, and coasters, can simplify the shopping experience for consumers. This approach can help position your products cohesively in the market. Thank you so much for watching the video. We truly appreciate your support, as we've spent a lot of time and effort to bring these rustic wood craft ideas to life. If you're new to our channel, we'd love for you to subscribe and join our creative community. Your likes and subscriptions help us continue to produce more inspiring content, so please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. We can't wait to see you in our next project.